Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Afton and this is Cooking with Afton. How you guys doing? I hope everyone had a fantastic week. Alright, so today is Sunday, so today is our second week of keto. And if you're new to my channel, I'm on my keto journey to lose some weight. So if you're new, please subscribe and come along for the ride. And if anybody would like to follow me as well, you can do so as well, and let all of us lose all these fats. All right, these quarantine weight we need to get rid of. All right, so in today's video I'm going to show you guys two meals, what I ate for lunch and dinner. Actually, this week is the second week of keto, so I will be only eating 2 meals per day. Last week, for the first week of my keto, I ate 3 meals per day. But the second week now, I'm only going to eat 2 meals per day. And when I reach the third week, I'm only going to eat 1 meal per day. Alright? So, for the entire week now, I'm only going to be showing you guys 2 meals. And in this video, I'll be showing you guys what I ate for lunch and what I drank for dinner. Alright? This video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I make some keto delicious fried chicken. And for dinner, I'm going to be drinking my keto bullet coffee. Very simple recipe. Alright guys, so I hope you guys enjoy watching my video. Give my video a thumbs up and please subscribe. Alright, I'm going to show you guys step by step, and all my ingredients and measurements will be in the description box down below. And I want to ask you guys also to please go and subscribe to my second channel, Natural Afton. I will also leave that link in the description box down below. Alright, and also I would like to ask you guys to please watch my ads in my video. Alright, when you guys watch the ads in my video, your girl gets a little revenue from YouTube, so kindly please watch the ad. Pretty please. Thank you so much for your support. So let me just show you my ingredients for my keto delicious fried chicken and my keto bullet coffee. Enjoy guys, enjoy. Hey guys, so today I'll be making some keto fried chicken. So here are my ingredients. First, I have 1 egg, some grated onion, grated garlic, grated ginger, mustard hot sauce, almond flour for the batter. This is my cut of chicken leg and thigh and wing. Over here I have chicken cubes, chicken seasoned, paprika, chili powder, black pepper, and some dried thyme. And over here I have my coconut oil. So let's go mix up all our seasoning now. So the first thing I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to pour in some of my coconut oil. Then my mustard hot sauce to give it a little spiciness, a little kick. So I'm going to pour in my grated garlic, onion, and ginger. And for spices, I'm going to put in my chicken cube, my chicken seasoning, my chili powder, paprika, black pepper, and my fine leaf thyme, and I'm going to take my hands now and mix everything here together. Make sure your chicken is well mixed up in the seasoning. You can let this marinate overnight, or you can just let it marinate for like a half an hour. I'm gonna let it marinate for half an hour. Alright. And also I'm gonna pour in a little bit of my egg. Perfect. So you let it marinate for about half an hour and we'll be back. Alright guys, so my chicken has been marinating for an hour. Over here I have some almond flour. Guys, you have to use almond flour, right? You cannot use the regular flour. So I'm going to season my flour now with some salt and black pepper. I'm going to give it a little mix, just like this. Perfect. So now you're going to take your chicken and put this aside. So you're going to take your chicken now and you're going to coat it into the flour. Just like this. I'm trying not to use a lot of almond flour because, my God, it's very expensive. And I have a lot more recipe to make for the flour. Alright, so I'm just gonna lightly coat it with the almond flour. Just like this. All of the chicken here. Good, so we'll be back guys, we'll be back. So as you can see here, all my chicken is coated into the flour. So I'm going to show you guys how I fry it now. Alright guys, so I just put on my pot there. So you're going to fry your chicken now in some coconut oil. You only can use coconut oil to fry your chicken, alright? So I'm going to pour my coconut oil into the pot here. And I'm going to deep fry my chicken because it have bones in it. Alright, so we'll be back when the oil is hot. Alright guys, so my oil is hot, so I'm going to put in two of my chicken here. I'm going to put in the legs to fry. I'm just going to fry these two same time. I'm going to let it fry on each side for maybe 3 to 4 minutes. We'll be back. Alright guys, so my chicken leg has been frying for 10 minutes, so I'm going to take it out. As you can see, it looks very different from if you had used a regular flour. Just shaking out the excess oil here. So now I'm going to put in another piece of my chicken. So I'm going to put in my wing. This is a big wing, so I'm just going to put in that wing a little. Let it cook for about 8 to 10 minutes. So we'll be back. Alright guys, so my wings finished frying here. I'll show you guys how it's looking. This is the wing here. But what I noticed guys, it's like all of the almond flour is coming off of the chicken. You see? All the flour waste. Just now, baby, just now. I say I have to clean out all of the flour here. And then you're going to put in your thyme. And let it fry. And let it cook for about 10 to 12 minutes. So we'll be back. Alright guys, so my thigh piece is all finished here. So I'm going to take it out and let you guys see how it's looking. So this is what my thigh piece is looking like. I'm going to rest it on a paper towel to drain off the oil. I'm going to take out the other piece now and we'll be back guys. We'll be back. guys, so this is the end results for my keto fried chicken. So here's my chicken here. So I'm gonna taste it on camera, let you guys see. So I have a thigh piece here, and I'm gonna be eating it with some, you kind of see, ketchup, mustard, mayonnaise, and cheese in here. So here goes, guys. Yummy. This is a delicious piece of chicken, guys. You need to try this recipe. This is so good, guys. So good. Wow. This is so good, guys. I can't stop eating it. This is so good. Okay, let me stop eating and end this video so I can eat the rest of my chicken. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoy watching this keto fried chicken video, and please give my video a thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe, and don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. All right, and you can also check in the description box down below for my measurements and ingredients and everything. All right, and also please subscribe to my second channel. It's called Natural Afton. That link would also be in the description box down below, and please watch the ads at the end of the video too. All right, guys, so take care, and I hope everyone have a blessed Sunday. All right, bye, guys. Hey guys, so these are my ingredients for my keto bullet creamy coffee. So over here I have some ghee, I have my Truvia sweetener, I'm using Nestle coffee. I just put a spoon inside of it here, like maybe half a teaspoon, because I don't really like coffee. And over here now I have some cocoa powder, and here I have some heavy cream. Alright, so let's get started. Alright guys, so let's get started now. I'm going to be making my coffee in my blender because I don't have a frother, right? So the first thing you're going to do, you're going to take a teaspoon of your ghee and you're going to put it in the blender. You're going to pour in your coffee and your cocoa powder, and you're going to put in your Truvia sweetener, and you're going to pour in some of your heavy cream. I'm going to pour in my heavy cream now. So you're going to pour in your hot water, and then you're going to give it a blend. Be careful, guys. Be careful. Put the blender aside and bring your cup. Ooh, it's so steamy and hot. So you're gonna pour it. You're gonna pour your coffee into the mug. So guys, this is my keto bullet coffee. I'm gonna taste it on camera and let you guys see now. Alright guys, so this is the end results for my keto bullet coffee. So I'm gonna taste it on camera and let you guys see. It's very hot. Tastes really good. Really good. You guys should really try this coffee. And also guys, I drink this coffee every day. So if you guys are on keto, you need to drink the coffee every day. Sometimes I drink it mostly like around 2-3 o'clock in the afternoon, but you can also drink it in the morning as well. All right, and alongside that, I drink 2 liters of water every single day. You need to drink a lot of water and this keto tea. All right guys, so I hope you guys enjoy watching this keto coffee recipe, and please give my video a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe. All right, and come back every day. I'll be uploading videos for you guys. All right, so take care and have a great night. Bye guys.